Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll walk you through the Hospital Management Dashboard, your command center for everything from doctors and patients to appointments, beds, and surgeries, all in one view. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click Dashboard to open the dashboard menu of your ERP system. Then scroll down to Hospital Management Dashboard and click it. This brings up the full picture of your hospital's day-to-day operations. Let's start with the doctors. Click here to open the Doctors section. This shows the dashboard of all the doctors in your record, where you can view their profiles and manage your medical staff. Next, on the Hospital Management Dashboard, click Patients to access the Patients section. This opens the dashboard of every patient in your care, where you can view and update their information and records, all in one place. Now click Appointments to move into your scheduling area. This is where every patient booking is documented, a full dashboard you can use to schedule, edit, or review appointments at a glance. On the Hospital Management Dashboard, you can click on Beds to access the Beds section. This shows the dashboard of all your hospital beds, where you can see what's available and assign beds to patients as they come in, keeping your space organized in real time. To open your records area, click on Medical Records. This brings up the dashboard of all patient medical records, where you can access and update each patient's history and documentation. To access the Lab Test section, click Lab Test to open it. This shows the dashboard of every lab test, where you can track each order, its results, and exactly where it stands. Next up, click Surgeries to open the Surgeries section. This displays the dashboard for all your surgical procedures, allowing you to view the schedule and coordinate each surgery within the system. Then over to Emergency Care. Click here to open the Emergency Care section. This shows the dashboard for your urgent services, where you can manage ambulances and keep an eye on which ones are available and where they've been dispatched. Further down, Daily Appointments lets you see everything booked for the current week at a glance. Right beside it, Weekly Surgeries gives you a clear view of every procedure planned across the week. Doctor Appointments then shows the bookings assigned to each doctor, so you always know who's seeing whom. And opening any appointment reveals its full details: the patient, the doctor, the date, and its current status. Finally, the Patient Registry holds your complete list of registered patients, your full record, all in one spot. And that's a wrap on the Hospital Management Dashboard. You've just learned how to navigate your key sections: doctors, patients, appointments, beds, records, lab tests, surgeries, and emergency care, all from one central hub. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.